Well, time is running out for federal workers to get vaccinated.
This Friday is the deadline to attest they have both shots. If they don't, they risk losing their job. CTV's Dave Charbonneau reports.
Stacey Payne is a federal public servant, and she might be days away from losing her job.
The government has no right to know my private medical information. That is between me and my healthcare practitioner only.
She doesn't agree with disclosing her medical information, even if it means staying employed.
This isn't about the specific mandate and the vaccine. This is about our privacy.
Payne created a group called Feds for Freedom that she says it now has more than 4,000 members. Payne says this isn't a collection of anti-vaxxers, but more of a group fighting to keep their privacy.
We even have vaccinated members in our group who are against this mandate because of the privacy policy.
The Feds for Freedom have been protesting outside the Public Service Alliance of Canada, hoping to get more support from the union that represents them. But the union, representing more than 120,000 workers, wants all of its members vaccinated. As a union, we absolutely respect everyone's right to protest. We also encourage all our members, including the protesters outside PSAC's national office, to get vaccinated unless they have a valid medical or other human rights exemption.
If they're unionized and the union is not going to grieve their terminations for them, then they really have no recourse in getting their jobs back.
Employment lawyer Jon Pinkus says because this mandate is law, there's not much that any federal workers can do without a valid medical exemption.
Those who are covered by the legal mandate and they're subject to this vaccination requirement, it's difficult to see how they will be able to get an exemption simply on the grounds of privacy.
Federal workers have until this Friday to submit their proof of vaccine. If the employee still refuses to disclose their status, they will be placed on administrative leave without pay as early as November 15th. But Payne says she's standing her ground.
This was not one of my terms and conditions of employment, nor will it ever be. I will leave before I sign up to divulge my private medical information.